Hi, we are Hi&Lo.
And we are happy to see you.
Are you looking for professional presentations?
Are you looking for amazing video productions?
Are you looking for efficient solutions for your PowerPoint issues?
Are you tired of researching, briefing, organizing and administrating for every single project task? Do you dream of a partner?
Who would just take care of everything? Call us,
Write us
send us a pigeon,
or a message in a bottle, and
we will come to your rescue.
Who we are?
We are presentation specialists,
Solution architects
project junkies.
and challenge lovers,
We are going above and beyond for your success.
and searching high and low for the best solution.
What you can expect from us:
High determination,
low complication,
high impact,
low risk,
high trust,
low investment,
high amazement,
low project time,
high quality.
low hassle.
We're looking forward to hearing from you.
Here at
Hi&Lo.